Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2015 Jeep Wrangler. This two-door, four-passenger convertible provides a satisfying ride for all passengers. A 3.6-liter V6 engine pairs with a sophisticated 5-speed automatic transmission, and for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Four-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. It distinguishes itself from the competition with features such as leather upholstery, a rear window wiper, voice-activated navigation, heated seats, remote keyless entry, and air conditioning. Premium sound drives 9 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Jeep also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, integrated rollover protection, traction control, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.